Okay, second time in Japan, we finally found a hot food vending machine to review. Pretty easy to get to. So we're staying in Shinjuku and caught the subway to Gaimei, which is, see this one? Yeah, Gaimei. Okay, so you'll see you need to walk up to the main baseball stadium, the Meiji Jingu. You walk around the back and come up past the golf training center and cross the road. You will end up here at the official goods shop. Alright, in we go. We nearly gave up. So there's lots of places you can visit, but we have yet to find until today one where there actually still is a hot food vending machine. Okay. So there's a mountain of vending machines here. But this is the one we want. 24-hour hot food vending machine. So you've got quite a few options there. Let's give it a go.
90 seconds.
Okay, 90 seconds. What do we got, a hot dog?
Hamburger, chicken and chips.
Alright, hamburger, chicken and chips. So we need to wait for that to cook. We're also going to try the hot dog, chicken nuggets, I think they're rice balls, and maybe the octopus. Takoyaki. Okay, here it comes.
What that is? Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Is it?
Yep, hamburger combo.
Hamburger combo.
Ready.
Alright, hot dog coming up. The machine talks to you as well. Hot dog, cool. Okay, we have rice balls of some sort. Cool. Just a heads up, make sure you have 1,000 yen or under. Or you could be like us and bring 5,000 and purchase a souvenir from the shop behind.
It smells good.
Chicken. Yum yum.
Smells.
Right, we've got a big choice of drinks. And then if you like, you can get yourself an ice cream. Vending machine takoyaki.
Ooh.
Okay, so we have some seasoning, chopsticks, a couple of drinks, no seats, so the floor it is. Alright, taste tester. Chicken nugget.
It's good.
Juicy?
Nice and tasty, juicy. Good for the vending machine.
Yeah, you got
One of me two chips. Meh. Alright, burger.
Is it a beef burger?
Yeah. Pretty good from the vending machine. Not too bad at all.
How's it compare to Macca's?
Oh, Max is a little bit better.
Okay.
Oh, it's a good little hot dog.
Good one?
It's got mustard and stuff in it. Oh, seeded mustard, all of that.
The video is a bit shaky because I'm getting attacked by bugs.
Alright, nugget.
Look like the same one that was with the burger.
Ooh, ooh, hot. And they're a good nugget.
You must get
There you go.
seaweed on top.
Chopstick.
No.
Alright, let's try one of these, eh?
Let's have a look.
I think we're supposed to flip them over.
Is that sauce or just...
Yes, takoyaki.
Okay.
Octopus balls, here we go.
Oh, and yeah, he is sweating because we're sitting in the middle of summer at Japan.
They're good.
Really?
They're pretty good. Alright, don't even know what this is.
It's like a
Some sort of rice
fried rice ball.
ball. White rice ball.
What's in it? Show me.
Rice.
It's just rice?
Yeah, it's good.
Nothing else? Just rice?
No, it's rice. It's like a fried on the outside.
Alright, overall?
For a vending machine, pretty bloody good.
Yeah? Alright, there you go guys. If you're 2019 onwards, we have found you a hot food vending machine. Enjoy.